Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at CiviCRM Tutorial 2025, a beginner's guide to nonprofit CRM and fundraising. CiviCRM is a powerful open source CRM solution specifically designed for nonprofit organizations, advocacy groups, and public service agencies. In today's digital landscape, managing relationships, donations, and events in a structured and efficient way is more crucial than ever. With CiviCRM, nonprofits gain access to an all-in-one system that handles contacts, communication, and contributions, all while keeping costs low due to its open source nature. Whether you are just starting your nonprofit journey or looking to upgrade from spreadsheets and scatter tools, CVCRM is an excellent platform to consider. Its integration with popular content management systems like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal makes it highly adaptable to your existing website or infrastructure. In this tutorial, we will walk you through everything from installation and setup to contact management, event planning, and donation tracking. You will also learn how to leverage its communication tools to send newsletters and create automated follow-ups. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of how to implement CVCRM into your organization's daily operations. No technical background? No problem. This step-by-step beginner's guide is made with simplicity in mind so you can start making an impact faster. Let us dive in and get your nonprofit set up for success in 2025. Step 1. Installing CiviCRM. Getting started with CiviCRM requires a proper installation which sets the foundation for all your CRM functionalities. This first step ensures that your system is stable and ready to be tailored to your organization. CiviCRM can be integrated with platforms like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal. Choose your CRM, example WordPress, and ensure it is installed. Download and install the CiviCRM plugin or module. Follow the guided setup wizard to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete and successful, you are ready to begin exploring the full suite of tools CVRM offers. Step 2. Setting up your organization profile. After installation, configuring your organization's profile ensures CVCRM reflects your nonprofit's identity in all its communications and operations. This step lays the groundwork for consistent branding and accurate system defaults. Navigate to Administer, Customer Data and Screens, Organization Profile. Enter key info like your nonprofit's name, contact details, and default email settings. Set time zone, currency, and branding preferences. By completing the setup, you create a solid starting point that reinforces your nonprofit's professionalism in all interactions. Step 3. Adding contacts. Managing contacts is at the heart of every CRM. This step allows you to begin building your database of stakeholders, from donors and volunteers to partner organizations. Go to Contacts, New Individual or New Organization. Input details such as name, email, address, and phone. Use tags or groups to organize your contacts. With a strong contact base in place, your communications, campaigns, and reports will become more targeted and effective. Step 4. Recording contributions, donations. To ensure your nonprofit's fundraising efforts are measurable and transparent, recording contributions correctly is essential. This step will show you how to track financial gifts and generate receipts. Go to Contributions, New Contribution. Select a contact, enter amount, payment method, and campaign. Use contribution types, example, donation, membership fee. Generate receipts automatically. When you have an organized record of donations, it becomes easier to thank donors, prepare financial statements, and meet compliance requirements. Step 5. Managing events. Events are an excellent way to bring your community together. This step guides you through organizing successful events directly within your CRM. Navigate to Events, New Event. Set event title, location, and registration options. Enable online registration and configure ticket pricing. Send automated confirmation emails. By leveraging event tools, you simplify logistics and ensure a smooth experience for both organizers and attendees. Step 6. Sending email campaigns. Effective communication keeps your supporters engaged. This step helps you craft and deliver newsletters, updates, and appeals with ease. Go to Mailings, New Mailing. Create a newsletter or update using the email builder. Segment recipients using groups or tags. Schedule delivery or send immediately. Done right, email campaigns will help you build trust, grow donations, and nurture long-term supporter relationships. Step 7. Reporting and Analytics. Understanding your data helps you make better decisions. In this step, you will learn how to create meaningful reports that drive strategy. Go to Reports. Create reports from templates. Generate donor reports, contribution summaries, and event attendance. Export reports as CSV or PDF. With easy access to key metrics, you'll gain valuable insight into your performance and areas for improvement. Step 8. Data cleanup and maintenance. Ongoing maintenance keeps your CRM effective and efficient. This step focuses on keeping your data clean, accurate, and secure. Use find and merge duplicate contacts regularly. Update outdated contact info. Back up your CRM data routinely. Investing time in maintenance now prevents future headaches and helps your team operate with confidence. Final tips. Before wrapping up, here are some final recommendations that will help you make the most out of CiviCRM's powerful capabilities. These tips are designed to provide guidance as your organization begins to adopt the system in daily operations and to encourage long-term success through best practices. Use roles and permissions to control user access. Ensure that team members only see and edit what they need to. This protects sensitive data and reduces confusion. Explore CiviCRM extensions for added features. The CiviCRM community offers many free and paid extensions to add tools like SMS communication, advanced reporting, and integrations with external platforms. Join the CiviCRM community for support and tips. There is a global network of users and developers sharing advice, solving problems, and constantly improving the platform. Participating in forums, mailing lists, or online groups can help you stay updated and troubleshoot faster. Schedule regular training sessions for new staff or volunteers. Make sure everyone who uses the CRM is equipped with the skills and knowledge to do so efficiently. Review your data monthly or quarterly. Set regular intervals to examine your CRM for outdated records, expired memberships, or inactive contacts. Document your processes internally. Having clear SOPs or standard operating procedures helps maintain consistency as your organization grows. Test before going live with major changes. Use a sandbox or staging environment if possible to prevent disruptions in your live system. Congratulations on completing the beginner's tutorial for CiviCRM in 2025. You have just taken the first step toward creating a more organized, data-driven nonprofit. By integrating CiviCRM into your daily operations, you are building a foundation for stronger donor relationships, improved communication, and greater fundraising efficiency. Remember, every nonprofit is unique, so take the time to customize CiviCRM to fit your organization's structure and goals. Continue exploring its rich feature set. There are plenty of advanced tools and extensions available to help you scale your impact. And if you ever feel stuck, the global CiviCRM community is active and always ready to help. With consistent use, thoughtful strategy, and a bit of creativity, CiviCRM can become your nonprofit's most powerful ally. So dive in, stay curious, and keep building those meaningful connections that drive change. Here's to your success. And that is all there is on CiviCRM Tutorial 2025, a beginner's guide to nonprofit CRM and fundraising. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.